Repository number 1. LangChain AI / Alma Deep Researcher. This repository fully local web research and report writing assistant. Here's a brief overview. Repository, LangChain AI / Alma Deep Researcher description. Fully local web research and report writing assistant, it will provide the user a final markdown summary with all source. Repository number 2, Microsoft /RD Agent. This repository research and development, R&D, is crucial for the enhancement of industrial productivity, especially in the AI era, where the core aspects of R&D are mainly focused on data and models. We are committed to automating these high-value generic R&D processes through our open-source R&D automation tool RD Agent, which lets AI drive data-driven AI. Here's a brief overview. Repository, Microsoft /RD Agent description. Research and development, R&D, is crucial for the enhancement of industrial productivity, especially in the AI era, where the core aspects of R&D are mainly focused on data and models. README highlights: desktop computer live, demo movie camera demo video, play button YouTube, open book documentation, page with curl, papers data science agent preview. Check out our demo video, showcasing the current progress of our data science agent under development. DS Agent Preview.mp4 Newspaper News Rolled up newspaper news memo description. More general data science agent rocket coming soon. Repository number 3, Donna Martin / System Design Primer. This repository learn how to design large-scale systems. Prep for the system design interview. Includes Anki flashcards. Here's a brief overview. Repository, Donna Martin / System Design Primer description. Learn how to design large-scale systems. README highlights: English bullet operator view, bullet operator G, German bullet operator F, German bullet operator Portuguese, do Brazil bullet operator Deutsch, bullet operator Epsilon Lambda Iota Kappa, bullet operator Italiano, bullet operator Polski, bullet operator Ruski, Yezuk, bullet operator Espanol, bullet operator Play, bullet operator Turks, bullet operator Tieng Viet, bullet operator Francais. Add translation, help translate this guide.